Guys, I have great news. I'm so happy right now. Everything, it's all coming together. Everything's gonna be fine, hopefully. I'll explain what's going on. But first, I have not driven the BRZ for, I think, over a week. Damn. That's the loudest I've ever heard that start up. So 48 hours later, finally ready to finish this video. How are you guys doing? Oh my God, it's been another 9 days since I posted a video. This is getting kind of ridiculous, but I'm in a much better mood right now than I have been in the past month. So today is Sunday. I found out last Tuesday on the 4th that my assignment had finally been reloaded. So we are going to Florida. I'm so excited right now. I can't even contain myself. I have so many out-processing things to do this week. I'll take you guys along for whatever I can. I have to do a day of shooting. I have to do a day of CBurns, like chemical, biological, something. We're gonna go for a little rip in the BRZ. I'm gonna talk about what the heck is going on. Look at this thing. It's dirty. I haven't washed my cars in, it's been too long. Let's go. Semi-cold startup. Over the past week and a half, I have been driving the Type R mostly, for no real reason. Although, on the drives to work, I do enjoy the much better and more clear sound system of the Type R, as opposed to this one. Little update here, we're at 3,161 miles. I also have a pretty cool lead of a performance comparison I'm gonna try to do. I have a friend who has a newer STI, I think it's, I don't know, 2019, 2018, and I believe all he has is a Cobb intake and like a California gas off-the-shelf 91 tune. And yeah, I thought that was pretty weird hearing that, but it makes sense. Apparently for those WRXs and STIs, Cobb actually makes tunes specific for California gas. That's how bad California gas is. In other exciting news, people have been getting their GR86s. I do prefer the front bumper of the GR86. That would be such an easy, like, transfer. If I do end up doing that, I don't know. I just don't want to get hate for that. But at the same time, I don't see anything wrong with it. The only fitment issue I see is that the logos are different. So if you look at the logo right here on the BRZ, it's more of an oval shape. And the Toyota one on their bumper is a little more rounded out. It's a little more circular. And obviously I'm not gonna do that swap and have a Toyota emblem on the front of the car and Subaru on the back. That would be dumb. So what I was thinking is, I don't know who could do it, but if I could get a custom emblem made, actually, you know what? I do know who could do that. I think it's Jets Vinyl. These guys make custom emblems for the Tension Civics. I could get that bumper swap, get the Toyota emblem, send it over to, I don't know, somebody who could do custom emblems, and I'm sure they just like maybe put a vinyl thing over it. I'm not exactly sure what they would do. I don't know. I'm sure at this point you guys are gonna let me know how dumb my idea is in the comments. I'm still letting the car warm up. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Oh my God, great car. So now that we're back on track, guys, I have to explain something. So even though I was in limbo for a month and my assignment was turned off for a whole ass month, my projected departure date, which means I need to be out processed from Beale Air Force Base by this day, that's not changing. So that's still February 1st. I have 3 weeks to do all this stuff, all this out processing, have my orders produced. Another thing that's not changing is my report no later than date, which is 28 February. I need to report to my new unit at MacDill Air Force Base no later than 28 February. We're probably gonna leave here like the second week of February sometime before the 15th. So the next 5 to 6 weeks that I have here, I want to do a lot more meets. I want to do a lot more group drives and just get some stuff done, see everybody, see all the friendly faces that I've met during my time doing this YouTube channel. Downshift to third. Oh man, I can't wait to start track driving. I would love to hit Thunder Hill before I leave. I'm just such a noob, guys, that I really think I need to actually like take a day where I do lessons. And that's gonna be, you know, expensive, like $500-600 bucks. So today is Sunday the 9th. I'm finally off night shift, which is really good. So I'm back on a day shift schedule because I have to be. I literally have to be out processed from the specific building where I work in a couple weeks. We need more exhaust sound ASAP. So this week, as of right now, I have like 1 or 2 nights that would be open for, you know, holding a little meet. Maybe we can meet somewhere down Sacramento and drive along the river and, you know, have some fun like we always do at my group drives. And then I would like to do a drive up towards the Bodega Bay area. That's where me and Vivi got married, and those roads up there are amazing. So I'd like to do one of those, you know, maybe another Bay Area drive. But please, guys, if you are watching and you're in the local area, so Northern California, please let me know where you would like to do a group drive. And if you're watching this and you want to do performance comparison, you know, versus either or, let me know. Oh fuck, I don't want to go right. Damn. Weird because sometimes this car feels like it doesn't have any rev hang, and other times it feels like it does have rev hang. Third. Wow. All right, well, I just stumbled upon some twisty roads. Might as well have a little fun. Pretty much my first time taking this car. And we're good to go. Of course, my GoPro just died, or ran out of storage, I should say. Let's rock and roll now. Squeal the tires a little bit there, going from first to second, that's nice. I'll be honest, I have no idea what the speed limit is right now. I don't really care. So about our move. So the Air Force, when they PCS you, they pay for your move, and they actually pay for a like professional moving company to come grab your stuff, literally pack it up, drive it to your new location, and unpack it for you. The time frame that me and Vivian have right now, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get TMO, which is the Travel Management Office. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get them to get our stuff in time. So that's really gonna suck if we actually have to rent like a 12 or 15 foot U-Haul and drive that across the country. Just, oh my God, imagine that. We might have to do that. One thing I really need to learn how to do is heel toe, because this car is not as nice as the Type R. It doesn't have that wonderful rev matching feature on the downshifts. I'm going way too fast. Let's go down to fourth. Taking a real gamble right now. About to leave my phone on the side of this mysterious road. That's all right. It's what I do for the YouTube channel, guys. right now. This thing moves. Roll the window down to give you guys some more action. Yeah, it's actually really quiet. Oh my God, it's a squirrel. Dude, I did not want to be responsible for killing a little squirrel. Speaking of squirrel, I haven't shown you guys Cleocatra in a while. We call her Cleopatra because she's getting fat. She's getting really big. So this is Cleocatra. She's gotten pretty big. She is a big girl. What is it? So I did end up opening up a bunch of those action figures I showed you guys last video. That's a Halo 2 one, but this is how the 6.5 inch scale Halo Infinite figures look compared against a Halo 2 Joyride figure. So these are about 8 inches tall, and here we go. Really nice figures. And here are the, I think this is like a 4-inch scale, but they're all a lot bigger than that. Yeah. So I have a lot of things to install over the next couple weeks. I still have all those parts for the Type R, side markers for the BRZ, and then yeah, I need to schedule a lot more group drives. I want to see all you guys, and I want to meet more of you who I haven't met yet before we leave, and it's coming up pretty quickly. So anyway, that's all I have for this video. Just a kind of an update. I hope you enjoyed a couple clips I got of the BRZ from the outside. That thing sounds so freaking good. I love it. Anyway, I'll see you in a couple days. Thank you very much for watching.